We're delivering this custom outdoor kitchen in the city of Ontario right across the street from Chaffey High School. This is where the island is going, right in between these two columns. We connected the sink directly into the home's existing plumbing and drainage system. Now time to show you what we did. One of the first features I want to show you is the sink area. The sink comes with a built-in cutting board insert along with hot and cold water. That's one of the features that takes this from a basic barbecue island to a fully functional outdoor kitchen. For the appliances, the client decided to go with VEVOR because of the budget. Honestly, for the price point, they actually came out pretty solid and worked well with the setup. For the grill, we use a CalFlame P5 grill. This grill comes with interior cooking lights, multiple burners, stainless steel construction, and a rotisserie setup. Under the grill, we installed double access doors along with a custom rack designed specifically to hold the client's griddle. Right next to that is the VEVOR outdoor refrigerator. It's an outdoor rated mini fridge that gives the client extra storage for drinks, food, and cooking supplies. We also added an outlet on the backsplash so the client can plug in things like a blender, phone charger, or any small appliance while cooking outside. And one of my favorite features on this build is a Blaze gas pizza oven. The pizza oven comes with a rotating ceramic pizza stone, so the pizza cooks evenly all the way around, built-in interior lighting, double pane glass doors. It comes with 2 temperature gauges, full cooking rack, and even a rotisserie setup. It also heats up extremely fast and can reach pizza cooking temperatures around 700 degrees. Under the pizza oven, we added double door storage. Small storage areas like this make a huge difference in how functional an outdoor kitchen actually is. Thanks for watching, and if you're thinking about building a custom outdoor kitchen, send us a DM for pricing or save this post for later when you're ready.